How to add tags on monday.com. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to add tags on monday.com. So let's get started. You will simply open up your monday.com workspace, and then you have to click and select the board that you want to go for. So I'm working on this board right here, and I have all of these different tasks. I will show you how to add tags to a certain task. So you can see we have this group right here, and there is no tag column right here. So what I can do is I can go to this add column, and now we can select different options from here. And if you do not see any, then what you can do is you can click on more columns and add a tag column. There you go, tags. So I'm gonna add to board. If you already have tags, then that's good, but I didn't have a tag option, so now I have. You can give your tags name. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna click on this plus icon, and now you can see there are different tags created for me, or I can create a new tag myself. You just have to type in what you want to add. Let's say editing. Now this is going to be one of my tags, and I'm gonna click on create, and you can see now a tag has been added. And then we have other tags as well, such as onboarding, integration, notifications, setup. So whatever tag you want to create, you will just type in whatever you want to type as your tag name, and then click on create new tag, and the tag will be created. And then you can just select the task and then add your tags right here. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.